Hey everyone, so today I'm doing the last look with the ice cream bee, and I decided to go with the greens here, and if I need to I will use this dark brown right here. So I don't think Milani sells this anymore, but I'm using my Shadow Eyes Green Safari on the lids. I think these are like waterproof. I got a pimple right by my eye. I the humidity starting to go down as fall has set in. We've had some rain, and so my skin was feeling dry again, and I put a little bit. I have to be careful. I do this pure coconut oil. I've done this before and the same thing happened. I broke out. I got two pimples. I can use like a coconut oil facial moisturizer. It's going to have other things in it, but straight up coconut oil makes me break out. Alright, so let's start with that. Just trying to be careful with my hand. Let's start out with this pretty light green right there. And then I'm gonna go into this green. It still looks like a light green, but it's just like a little bit darker. Oh yeah, no, that's actually, yeah, that's actually sheer. I guess I'll just use it as a base color, like a transition color. Going into that dark brown color right there. I'm putting the green on top of the brown. I'm just gonna mix them together. I'm gonna go into this beige color there for the highlight. Then I'm going to take some of that gold and put it in my inner corners. So I'm going to finish my makeup and I'll be right back. Hey everyone, so this is the finished look. I used the last color, which is Sprinkled with Love, on my lips. It's kind of like a muted pink. And that's the last of that. And then next week I'll be doing the Coffee Cat.